guys, welcome back to a new video. So today, sorry, it's so loud. So I'm gonna play this game. Hold on.
He's eating gummies. He needs, me and him need melatonin and vitamins.
Yeah. Hold on.
Yummy.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Subscribe to my videos, please.
Oh yeah. I'm sending it out on Facebook.
Yeah, check it out. So I will be playing. So guys, let's start. I might not talk that much. Audrey can talk, right?
No.
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 Oh my gosh, it's so hard sometimes.
Kyle's hot.
Have you ever played this, Audrey?
No. But I did on my stepdad's phone. He has it.
It's really cool.
Yeah, I couldn't play it.
Shoot. Sorry guys for the
You guys
language.
couldn't hear music.
Sorry guys for the language. I suck.
Look at this. Oh wait, never mind. It's not that level.
Guys, next level. Look at
How long has it been going on? You don't sit down on me, baby. How long has it been going on? I'll at least get to endless mode. See, I'm already at endless mode.
Oh, sorry guys, I'm not talking. She might talk.
Oof, I died.
It's probably gonna be a long video. Sorry. It is right now 8:32. That's what time it is. People are probably asleep. Right, Audrey?
Look at this. Do you see this? I got so many.
Guys, I can't see. Okay.
It's invisible.
Guys, we're gonna end the video here. I need to get out. Sorry, it's so laggy. Bye. Peace out. I need to stop the video, so you're gonna hear a little more. Okay, let me just stop it. Woo, woo. Bye, guys.